Okay, so in this kind of exponential equation, we can see that it looks like the common base will be number 6, and we want to transfer negative 6 to the power of x to the left side of the equation. So we add up 6 to the power of x, and we will get 6 to the power of x take away 1 minus 6 to the power of x take away 2 plus 6 to the power of x is equal to 41. As 41 cannot be written as 6 to any reasonable power, we will try to rearrange the expression on the left side of the equation, and as we can see, each term can be written, the first one as 6 to the power of x, and now times 6 to the power of negative 1, but as we already know, 6 to the power of negative 1 can be written as 1 over 6. Okay, take away 6 to the power of x, the same procedure applies here, times 1 over 6 squared, which is definitely 1 over 36, plus 6 to the power of x is equal to 41. Now, as we have the common factor in each term of our expression, we can rewrite this as 6 to the power of x times 1 over 6 minus 1 over 36 plus 1 is equal to 41. Okay, now 6 to the power of x, we can find the common denominator, which is definitely 36. So the first numerator will be 6 take away 1 plus 36 is equal to 41. Okay, now let's have a look how this will look like. So 6 to the power of x times 36 plus 6 is 41, take away 1 is 41 over 36, which is good news, as you can see, because now we want to get rid of this fraction, which means we will multiply our equation by fraction 36 over 41. So we will get the equation 6 to the power of x is equal to 41 times 36 over 41. This 41 will cancel with this 41, so 6 to the power of x is equal to 36, which is definitely 6 squared, so it means our solution is x being equal to. I hope everything is clear.